Set along the western edge of Ireland where the River Corrib meets the Atlantic Ocean, Galway is a city defined by movement, of water, music, people, and ideas. Compact yet endlessly engaging, Galway blends medieval heritage with contemporary creativity, offering visitors a destination that feels both timeless and alive. Often called Ireland's cultural heart of the West, Galway is known for its lively streets, traditional music, acclaimed seafood, and proximity to some of the country's most dramatic landscapes. It is a city best explored at walking pace, where history reveals itself in stone walls and narrow lanes, and where modern cafes, galleries, and pubs coexist seamlessly with centuries-old landmarks. A city shaped by history. Galway's story begins as a medieval trading port, governed by 14 merchant families known as the Tribes of Galway. Their influence still shapes the city today, particularly in the historic core, where remnants of the old city walls remain embedded in the urban landscape. One of the most recognizable landmarks is the Spanish Arch, built in the 16th century as part of the city's defenses and trading infrastructure. Positioned at the mouth of the River Corrib, the arch once protected merchant ships unloading goods from Spain and continental Europe. Today, it serves as a scenic riverside gathering place and a gateway to Galway's historic waterfront. Nearby lies the Claddagh, once an independent fishing village with its own customs and leadership. This neighborhood gave the world the Claddagh ring, a symbol of love, loyalty, and friendship that remains closely associated with Galway. The area retains a quiet, residential charm while offering picturesque views of Galway Bay. Dominating the skyline is Galway Cathedral, an impressive structure of limestone and red sandstone. Its interior features intricate mosaics, stained glass, and a soaring dome, providing a peaceful contrast to the bustling streets nearby. For deeper insight into Galway's past, the Galway City Museum, located beside the Spanish Arch, offers engaging exhibitions on archaeology, maritime trade, and the city's social history. The Latin Quarter and city streets. At the heart of Galway is the Latin Quarter, a vibrant network of pedestrian streets including Shop Street, Quay Street, and High Street. These cobblestone lanes form the city's cultural and commercial center, filled with colorful shop fronts, cafes, restaurants, and live street performances. Music is an essential part of daily life here. Traditional Irish musicians perform openly, often without amplification, creating an atmosphere that feels spontaneous and authentic. Visitors are encouraged to wander freely, explore side lanes such as Kerwin's Lane, and discover hidden courtyards, galleries, and artisan workshops. Shopping in Galway emphasizes craftsmanship and local production. Visitors will find Irish wool knitwear, handmade jewelry, pottery, art prints, and specialty food products that reflect regional traditions. Food and dining in Galway. Galway is widely regarded as one of Ireland's best food destinations, particularly for seafood. Located along the Atlantic coast and surrounded by fertile farmland, the city benefits from exceptional local ingredients. Seafood restaurants range from casual oyster bars to acclaimed bistros, offering fresh oysters, mussels, crab, lobster, and Atlantic fish prepared with simplicity and care. Traditional Irish seafood chowder, rich, warming, and served with brown soda bread, is a local staple found throughout the city. Beyond seafood, Galway's dining scene in the coast and Salthill Promenade. A short walk from the city centre leads to Salthill, Galway's seaside district. The Salthill Promenade stretches along Galway Bay, offering sweeping Atlantic views and fresh sea air. It is a favorite spot for walking, jogging, and watching the changing light over the water. The promenade reflects Galway's deep connection to the sea. Cold water swimmers enter the bay year-round, while locals gather regardless of weather. Cafes, seafood spots, and family-friendly attractions line the route, making Salthill an ideal place to relax and enjoy the coastal atmosphere. Exploring beyond the city. Galway serves as a gateway to some of Ireland's most iconic landscapes. To the west lie the Aran Islands, known for their stone walls, Gaelic-speaking communities, and dramatic coastal scenery. Ancient forts such as Dun Águasa stand atop towering cliffs, offering unforgettable views of the Atlantic Ocean. Inland, Connemara presents a striking landscape of mountains, bogs, lakes, and open skies. The region is home to Kylemore Abbey, a lakeside estate set against rugged mountain backdrops. Connemara's quiet beauty provides a powerful contrast to city life and is easily accessed from Galway. Transportation and getting around. Galway's city centre is compact and best explored on foot. Most major attractions, restaurants, and pubs are within easy walking distance. Public buses connect the city centre with suburbs such as Salthill and surrounding areas. Taxis are widely available and convenient for short trips. For exploring Connemara and other rural areas, rental cars provide the greatest flexibility. Several rental agencies operate in Galway, and driving routes offer scenic views, though narrow roads encourage a relaxed pace. Alternatively, guided tours depart regularly from the city, offering comfortable access to regional highlights. Where to stay? Galway offers a wide range of accommodations to suit all travel styles. Hotels in the city centre provide convenience and easy access to nightlife and dining. Boutique hotels offer character-filled stays in historic or renovated buildings. Bed and breakfasts provide a warm, local experience and personal hospitality. Seaside accommodations in Salthill offer coastal views and a quieter atmosphere. Whether staying in the heart of the city or along the bay, Galway accommodations emphasize comfort, charm, and friendly service. A destination that stays with you. Galway is not a city that overwhelms, it welcomes. Its appeal lies in balance: history without heaviness, culture without performance, hospitality without formality. Music drifts through the streets. Stone remembers centuries. The sea shapes the horizon. Visitors leave Galway with more than photographs. They leave with rhythms, flavors, and moments that return unexpectedly long after the journey ends. Galway is not simply a place to visit, it is a place to experience, absorb, and carry with you.